Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, we are going to show you how to download Bitcoin app in your Android. Watch till the end and press the like and subscribe button to not miss any update from us. So to download Bitcoin, you have to go to your Play Store app, and on the top you can see a search bar. You have to click on that. You have to type Bitcoin here and click on search. You can see a BTC wallet, Bitcoin exchange. You have to click on that. So basically Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or single administrator that can be sent from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. Bitcoins are created as a reward for a process known as mining. They can be exchanged for other currencies, products and services. And to install the app, you have to just click on install. You can see 1 million plus downloads. Lots of people use it in this time. And yes, Bitcoin wallet has been downloaded on your mobile and a shortcut has been created on your home screen. And if you guys find this video helpful, you can just click on like and subscribe button to not miss any update from us. Thank you.